Hello everyone, my name is Malabad from BSc 1B. Reading the preamble to the Philippine Constitution. The collective will of the people to create a society that is democratic, just, and humane is expressed in the preamble to the Philippine Constitution. It places a stronger emphasis on equality, justice, freedom, love, sovereignty, truth, and peace. Under God's guidance, Filipinos seek to protect their rights, advance the welfare of society, and ensure their independence for coming generations.